Hey guys, welcome back. As you can see, it's really messy, but I have some squishies to show you guys. First of all, we got these from Kmart. I've accidentally popped one of them. So, yeah. This is the popped one. There's a little hole here. That's where it got popped. This one's good because it doesn't have a lot of air in it, because it's been popped. But then this is the one that hasn't been popped. This is quite a bit of air in it. We've got this duck, kind of like a needle. Please like and subscribe so I can actually buy needles, because I'm a bit broke right now. So make sure you guys like and subscribe so I can get more squishies. This is a capybara, blue capybara. We've got this little now squishy cat. And last but not least, we have this bear. This is my favorite. It reminds me of like a color changing needle. This one, these two are my favorite. So make sure you guys like and subscribe so I can buy more stuff, and let me know down in the comments which squishy I should get next. Bye!